Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can view follower list on Twitch. Keep watching the video till the end. To view follower list on Twitch, log into your Twitch account by entering your username and password associated with your Twitch account. The home page of Twitch will appear on the screen. Click on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and tap on Channel Dashboard. On the next page, under Community section on the right hand side, click on Followers List. You can now see your follower list on Twitch quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.